Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your phone not connecting with Windows 11 but only charging. This is a common issue that can be frustrating when you're trying to transfer files or access your device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. You'll want to wait until everything is completely ready before proceeding with the troubleshooting steps. Once your PC is up and running, we can begin fixing this connection issue. Now navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Instead of just clicking on it, right-click on the Start menu icon. This will bring up a context menu with several useful options. From the list that appears, look for and click on Device Manager. This is a crucial system tool that lets you manage all the hardware connected to your computer, including USB devices and controllers. Once the Device Manager window opens, you'll see a list of different hardware categories. Scroll down until you locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click on the small arrow next to it. This will expand the section and reveal all the USB devices currently connected to your PC. This is where we can identify and fix the power management issue that's preventing your phone from being properly recognized. From the expanded options, right-click on USB Root Hub. You might see multiple USB Root Hub entries listed, and you may need to repeat this process for each one if the issue persists. After right-clicking, select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open a new window showing detailed information about that specific USB device. In the Device Properties window that pops up, click on the Power Management tab at the top. This tab contains settings that control how Windows manages power for this USB port. Here's where the actual problem lies. You'll see an option that states allow the computer to turn off this device to save power with a checkbox next to it. This power saving feature is actually what's causing your phone to only charge without establishing a data connection. Windows is cutting power to the USB port to save energy, which prevents proper communication with your device. Simply remove the check from that checkbox to disable this option. This ensures that Windows will keep the USB port fully powered at all times, allowing your phone to maintain both charging and data connection. Once you've unchecked this box, click OK to save and apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your USB settings to allow proper phone connectivity. Your phone should now connect to Windows 11 for file transfers and other functions, not just charging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.